Hello and welcome back to Study With Additti, that's ADDITTI. This channel is dedicated to giving you revision tips and tricks to make your schooling life a whole lot easier. So, a bit of a life update here. As you can see, I have cut my hair and I absolutely love it. Anyway, to the content of this video. So, summer is the longest break that you'll get from school, and it means you have the chance to do whatever you like. However, to have a great fulfilling summer, here are my do's and don'ts. Firstly, the don'ts. Don't binge watch Netflix. You probably think that this is the best time to watch Netflix since you don't have a care in the world anymore and you just have so much free time. But I'm telling you the opposite here. I'm not saying you can't watch Netflix. Netflix is great, but the TV shows and documentaries and films are all to be watched with limitations. My next don't is don't mess with your sleep schedule. Sleeping and waking up late means that when you do wake up, you feel unmotivated to do anything. I know it may seem hard at first, but when you get into it, you'll feel so much better. Don't bail on other people. If you made plans with friends, go through with them. Trust me, this will leave you feeling much happier, and this in turn means that you're more productive. Not necessarily to study, but to do things that you really wanted to do. Here is another massive don't. Do not spend all your time working. Summer is there for a reason, and if you spend all your time working, it's just basically like school. While you may want to get ahead for the school year, it will usually be of no point anyway, since you are likely to forget a lot of it. If you have been given summer work, try and get this done in the first few weeks. That way it won't be at the back of your mind while you're trying to have fun, meaning that when it's truly done, you can actually relax. Now let's move on to the do's. Number 1 is to create a bucket list. My own bucket list consists of me practicing the clarinet and the piano, reading all the books I've wanted to read throughout the school year but never got a chance to because of studying, and also trying out new skills that may make me a bit more employable in the future. Your bucket list may include things that you wanted to try all year, or even places that you wanted to visit all year but you've never had a chance to. I mean, it's summer, this is your chance to do anything. The second thing I recommend you do is cleaning out your bedroom and or your study space. This will work wonders when it comes to the next academic year, and will leave you feeling a lot better too. If you have old books or old folders that you don't need anymore, try recycling them, or if they're in good condition, you may even be able to sell them. And this way you're helping other people and earning a bit of money on the side too. This third thing I'm recommending will apply only to a minority of you, but I think it's important even then, and that is to get a summer job. A summer job can keep you occupied throughout the summer and can also look great on your CV. If you can't get a summer job as such, try and get work experience in the field of work that you would like to be going into the future. If you don't know what you want to do yet, try a variety of things. That will really enhance your CV and make you a lot more employable in the future. I think it's really important to have a direction in summer, and without a direction you can be lost. So this fourth thing I'm recommending to you is to challenge yourself. My personal challenge is to read an entire novel in French. That's because I'm doing French A-level, and while mine directly relates to my A-levels, yours doesn't necessarily have to. It can relate to any aspect of your life that you wanted to work on. It should definitely be something that you are proud of telling other people at the end of the summer. Now, this is the most important thing you can do out of all of these do's, and that is to relax. After all, it is your longest break of school throughout the whole year, and you should really make the most of it. Go on holiday, meet new people, and most importantly, have fun. Thank you for watching this video. If this advice has helped you in any way, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe for videos every single week. If you have any requests for the content I put out on this channel, please leave it in the comments below so I can really make this channel tailored to you and your needs. Thank you again, and see you next week. Bye!